Title: Box Jellyfish, the silent ocean hunter you'll never see coming. Channel: wildlifeLensTV, WLTV. Epic Wildlife Cinematic Story. Chapter 1: Something moves in clear water. The tropical ocean looks calm. Warm water. Soft waves. Endless blue horizon. To swimmers, it feels safe. But sometimes danger in nature does not announce itself. It does not splash. It does not roar. It simply drifts closer. Almost invisible. Almost silent. And before anyone notices, contact has already happened. This is the world of the box jellyfish, one of the ocean's most efficient predators, and one of its least visible. Chapter 2: A creature made of light. Most ocean predators rely on speed. Others rely on teeth. Some depend on size. The box jellyfish depends on something else entirely: transparency. Its body bends light instead of blocking it. From above the surface, it disappears. From below the surface, it disappears again. Even fish often fail to notice it. This makes the jellyfish something rare in nature, a hunter almost impossible to detect. Chapter 3: Not all jellyfish drift. Many people believe jellyfish simply float wherever currents take them. But box jellyfish are different. They swim. They steer. They choose direction. Instead of drifting blindly through the ocean, they move with purpose. They search. They adjust. They react. In the shallow coastal world where visibility matters most, this makes them extremely effective hunters. Chapter 4: The tentacles that fish never escape. Trailing behind the cube-shaped body are long hunting lines. Tentacles that stretch meters through the water. Each one carries thousands of microscopic stingers. When a fish touches even one strand, the response is immediate. Venom fires instantly. Movement stops. Escape becomes impossible. Within seconds, the prey becomes part of the jellyfish's meal. Chapter 5: How jellyfish can see. For centuries, scientists believed jellyfish could not see. But box jellyfish changed that assumption forever. They have 24 eyes. Some detect light. Some detect shadows. Others form images. This allows them to avoid obstacles like coral, navigate around roots of mangrove trees, and remain near places where prey gathers most often. Few animals without a brain this complex possess vision like this. Chapter 6: Where the silent hunter lives. Box jellyfish prefer warm coastal environments. Shallow beaches. River mouths. Mangrove forests. Protected lagoons. These areas are rich with fish. rich with nutrients, and unfortunately, popular with swimmers. In northern Australia especially. Seasonal warnings remind people the hunter has returned. Chapter 7, A Close Encounter No One Expects. Encounters rarely happen in deep water. Most occur close to shore. A swimmer steps forward. A child plays near the beach. A diver moves through calm water. And then something invisible brushes the skin. The reaction is immediate. Pain appears before understanding. Because the jellyfish never intended to attack. It simply responded. Chapter 8, Why Nature Built Such Powerful Venom. Venom in the wild is rarely accidental. It exists for survival. For hunting. For defense. The box jellyfish depends on venom because it has no claws. No teeth. No armor. Instead, it evolved speed at the microscopic level. Thousands of tiny stingers that react faster than human reflexes, making escape nearly impossible for small prey. If you enjoy exploring the hidden side of wildlife like this, subscribe to wildlifeLensTV, because nature's most powerful stories are often the ones we almost miss. Chapter 9, The Largest Species of All. Among all box jellyfish, one species stands apart. Chironex fleckeri. Larger. Stronger. More heavily armed than others in its group. Its tentacles can stretch several meters long. And a single encounter can release thousands of venom injections at once. Despite its size, it remains almost invisible in the water around it. Chapter 10, Why They Visit Shallow Beaches. Shallow coastal zones provide everything the jellyfish needs. Food. Shelter. Protection from strong ocean currents. Young fish gather here. So do small crustaceans. And where prey gathers, predators follow. This natural cycle brings box jellyfish closer to human activity than many people realize. Chapter 11, How Coastal Communities Adapt. People living near jellyfish habitats have learned something important. Nature does not need to be avoided. It needs to be understood. Protective swimming nets reduce encounters. Warning signs inform visitors. Seasonal awareness saves lives. Preparation turns danger into coexistence. Chapter 12, When the Ocean Changes, So Do Jellyfish. Ocean environments never remain the same. Temperatures rise. Currents shift. Habitats expand. As conditions change, jellyfish populations move with them. Scientists now monitor these patterns carefully, because understanding movement means improving safety for coastal communities. Chapter 13, A Predator That Balances the Reef. Even powerful predators serve a purpose. Box jellyfish help regulate fish populations. They influence plankton cycles. They shape coastal ecosystems in subtle ways. Remove them entirely, and balance disappears. Nature depends on relationships like these, even when they seem dangerous. Chapter 14: What scientists are learning today. Researchers continue studying box jellyfish around the world. Their vision systems challenge previous assumptions about simple animals. Their venom offers medical research potential. Their movement inspires underwater robotics. Creatures once feared without understanding are now helping expand scientific knowledge. Chapter 15: The Ocean's Quiet Reminder. The ocean does not always warn us before danger appears. Sometimes it teaches quietly, through experience, through observation, through respect. The box jellyfish is not a monster. It is not an enemy. It is a survivor of ancient oceans. Perfectly adapted. Nearly invisible. And still drifting through warm coastal waters today. A reminder that nature's greatest power is often the hardest to see. If this surprised you, there's more wildlife beneath the surface waiting to be discovered. Tap the next video to continue exploring nature's hidden hunters. And subscribe to Wildlife Lens TV, where the wild is closer than you think.